with Coach Josh Reyes to tell us how it feels that Talk 'N Text will be going back to the finals. So how does it feel that your team is going back to the finals, something that you guys worked so hard for?
It feels great. Finally, we're back and time to claim what's ours.
Describe this moment, how it feels that you guys have finally put away such a difficult and challenging team like BMEG.
It feels like a proposing moment.
What?
It feels like a proposing moment.
Really? It feels like that? What do you mean a proposing moment?
How does it feel to get married right about now? To get engaged, I'm sorry.
Ask her, will you marry me?
Will you marry me? Will you marry me?
Of course. And there you have it. It's official. Coach Josh Reyes just proposed to his girlfriend. Wait, how do you feel? Tell her.
Relieved. Pinawisan ako. Mas pinawisan ako sa game niyo. Pinawisan ngayon. Pawis ako.
How does it feel? Really good. Congratulations.
Mami, nakatingin tayo. I get back to my team.